Welcome to a new story from the Viking Home Companion. Up till now, all of my stories have been based on Norse culture, history, and mythology, and have primarily been for older audiences, teens and adults. Today, this story is going to be based on both Christian and Norse themes, and is for little kids. And it is called Edgar the Sneezing Troll. Now, Edgar was a troll, and like all other trolls, Edgar liked flowers, Edgar liked birds, Edgar liked rabbits, and Edgar liked squirrels. But you see, all the other trolls were wicked trolls. And the reason that they liked those things is they liked to eat them, to gobble them up. But you see, Edgar liked flowers because they were pretty. And he liked birds because he liked to listen to them sing. And he liked rabbits and squirrels because he liked to watch them play. Now, like all other trolls, Edgar also liked little boys and girls. But once again, all the other trolls, the wicked ones, liked them because they liked to eat them, to gobble them up. But you see, being a troll, Edgar knew what wicked trolls are scared of. Wicked trolls are scared of angels. And he knew that humans had a custom that when they sneezed, they would say, "Bless you." And whenever you say "bless you," angels come to hear it. So every time the wicked trolls were sneaking up on the little boys and girls so that they could eat them, Edgar would sneak up behind them and sneeze really, really loud. Achoo! And then the little boys and girls would say, "Bless you," and the angels would come and scare the wicked trolls away. So if you're ever feeling sad or lonely or scared because you think a wicked troll is trying to sneak up on you, or you just hear a really loud sneeze come from out of nowhere, achoo! Just say, "Bless you." The angels will come and they will scare the wicked trolls away.